Today, I'm showing you how to fix slow Google Chrome downloads and increase overall Chrome speed. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable parallel downloading. Open up your Google Chrome. In the address bar, type chrome//flags and press enter. In the search box at the top, type parallel. You'll see Enable Parallel Downloading. If it's set to default, change it to enabled. This accelerates Chrome's download speed by downloading files in multiple streams simultaneously. Step 2. Relaunch Chrome. Click Relaunch at the bottom right to restart Chrome with the new settings. Step 3. Optimize background apps. Click the three dots again, go to Settings, then click System on the left side. Find Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and turn this off. This prevents Chrome from using resources when it's closed, which saves CPU, RAM, and internet bandwidth. Step 4. Enable hardware acceleration. In the same System section, find Use hardware acceleration when available and make sure it's on. This uses your computer's GPU to improve performance. Step 5. Remove unused extensions. Click the three dots, go to More Tools, then Extensions. Review all your installed extensions. Remove any extensions you don't actively use by clicking Remove. Extensions consume resources and can slow down Chrome significantly even when you're not using them. Step 6. Restart Chrome. Close Chrome completely and reopen it. All your changes are now active. And bonus tip, regularly clear your browsing data. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Clear Browsing Data to maintain optimal performance. And that's it. Your Google Chrome should now download files faster and run much smoother overall.